Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, classmate. I am Mary Rose. Diagnostic evaluation and its role in student learning. Diagnostic evaluation is a types of assessment used in education to identify students' strengths, weaknesses, and knowledge gaps before instruction begins, allowing teachers to tailor their teaching approach to address individual learning needs and maximize student progress by focusing on specific areas requiring improvement. Essentially, it acts as pretest to pinpoint where a student matter, enabling targeted instruction. It means uh, Itong diagnostic evaluation ay isang proseso ng assessment na kung saan ginagawa upang malaman ang mga kasanayan, kaalaman, at kakulangan ng mga mag-aaral bago sila magsimula ng isang bagong kurso, programa, at proyekto. Ito ay ginagawa din upang matukoy ang mga pangangailangan ng mga mag-aaral at upang magplano ng mga estratehiya ng pagtuturo na angkop sa kanilang pangangailangan. Ang halimbawa po nito ay a pretest given at the beginning of a new unit in a subject where students answer either multiple choice or short answer. Sa purpose, ano nga ba ang purpose ng diagnostic evaluation? To understand a student's current level of knowledge and skills in a specific subject area, including areas where they might have misconception or gaps in understanding. Isang purpose nga daw po ng diagnostic evaluation ay matukoy ang kasanayan at kaalaman ng mga kabataan upang malaman ang mga bagay na nauunawaan na ng mga mag-aaral at mga bagay na kailangan pa nilang matutunan. Dito din ay upang malaman ang mga bagay na hindi nila nauunawaan at ang mga bagay pa na kailangan nilang matutunan. Dito din, ito naman ay sa teacher, sa instructor. Ang purpose ng diagnostic evaluation sa isang guro ay upang magplano ng mga paraan ng pagtuturo na angkop sa mga pangangailangan ng mag-aaral. Ang implementation naman nito ay usually conducted at the beginning of a unit or course, often in the form of a short quiz, test, or activity that focuses on key concepts. Nagbigay po ako dito ng mga types of evaluation. Number 1 po ay formative assessment. It is an ongoing assessment during the learning process of the students. Number 2 ay pretest. It is assessments before instruction to identify prior knowledge of the students. Number 3 pong halimbawa ng evaluation ay quizzes. It is a short assessment na kung saan ay chine-check ang understanding po ng kung ano na ba yung mga naiintindihan ng estudyante sa ating mga itinuro. Ang number 4 po ay projects. It is evaluating students' projects to assist their learning. So, dito na po naman tayo sa diagnostic evaluation's role in student learning. Diagnostic evaluation is a type of assessment that aims to identify strengths, weaknesses, and learning needs of students. It plays crucial role in student learning. Una po ay by informing instruction, identifying knowledge gaps. Diagnostic evaluation help teachers identify areas where students need improvement. Dito rin po ay through diagnostic evaluation, teachers can adjust their instruction to meet the specific needs of their students. Number 2 po ay enhancing student learning. Dito po ay diagnostic evaluation helps students set realistic learning goals. Ganun din po ay students can develop strategies to address their learning gaps. Number, ano po tayo? Number 2 pa din po. Dito po ay diagnostic evaluation helps students track their progress. So, natatrack daw po ang progress through diagnostic evaluation. Fostering teacher-students collaboration. Dito naman po ay building students, teacher-to-student relationship. Through diagnostic evaluation, encourage teachers to work closely with students. Ganun din po ay encouraging student feedback. Through diagnostic evaluation, students provide feedback to teachers, promoting a collaborative learning environment. So, doon na po nagtatapos po ang aking report. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo sa akin pong diniscuss. Thank you po and God bless po.